I love clothes. To say I love clothes is an understatement. I eat, sleep and breathe fashion, but that comes with a price. Hoarding. But it's time I sorted out what I do have and have an extreme wardrobe clear out. I think I made it pretty clear what the plan is for today. However, just to make it a little bit more crisp, I want to go through everything I own, clothes-wise. Make a pile of stuff I want to sell and just have a general clear out. I have too much, basically. Some stuff that I want to sell I made and kept because I was like, oh, it's so cute, I'll wear it. And then I never wore it, so we need to get rid of that. And then other stuff I've had ages and I just haven't worn. Keep fashion circular and all that. Everything I decide to sell in this video I'll be selling on Depop, potentially Vinted, but I'll let you know. So if you'd like to buy anything, I'll leave it in the description. I think we should get started because this is going to be a little bit of a mammoth job. This is before. I've got a bag of t-shirts because I don't really know where to put them, and I've got some jumpers at the back, and then I've got my jeans and skirts at the bottom. I think I'm going to start by emptying this shelf just because I think this one's going to be the one with the most stuff on it that I'm going to want to sell. So let's go. There's stuff as well that I need to sew so I can wear it, so I'm going to make a pile of that just to get it in my head. This bag has all the good stuff in it. This bag has all the crochet stuff in it that I never sold. A lot of stuff's already up, like this balaclava is already up on my Depop. But then we have a load of really cute crochet tops that I never sold. I'm going to put these back up because it's coming up to summer again. Festival season. They're so cute. They shouldn't be sitting in this bag at the back of my wardrobe. I like this one actually. It's kind of quite 70s. There's also top, which I made a tutorial for. And then I've got this little purple star skirt. I'm also like seriously considering selling the black version too, but she's my baby. Don't tell me this t-shirt isn't a masterpiece. Greg Wallace. It's now time for jumpers. I'm kind of attached to a lot of these, and we're gonna see what we can do. First of all, this is not a pair of jumpers. A pair of jumpers? A jumper. It's a pair of joggers. Keeping that one. I actually think I'm just gonna end up keeping all of these, I can't lie. This one needs to stay. Couldn't live without this one. The only thing I am kind of umming and ahhing about is this puffer jacket. I never wear it, and when I do, it makes me feel like a man. So I might sell that one. Oh, that is gross. This one is kind of strange. Got a skirt on the front. Do I wear it? No. Do I feel like I could wear it? Yes. Will I wear it? Probably not. Am I gonna keep it? Yes. Don't fight me. And now the fun stuff. I can't imagine I'm gonna get rid of many of these because the stuff up here is like the stuff I wear all the time. When I wear stuff, I take it from wherever it is, and when I put it back, I always put it back on this side, so this stuff is the stuff that I wear most, and this stuff over here is the stuff I literally never wear. Kind of genius move from me, if you ask me. We have this little duo on here. This top, I can't lie, I have probably not worn for a year. It's one of those ones where I'm like, it's so pretty and I definitely could wear it at some point. This, I'm trying to think whether I wore it last summer. I'm not gonna get rid of it just yet. Oh my god, this is going so well. Keeping the two that I haven't worn the whole time I've been here. Right, all this stuff I'm keeping. Because I made this, I made this, I made this. I actually made everything on this hanger, so I can't really get rid of it again. However, here's a hanger that we can do something about. I love this skirt, so we're not getting rid of that. This one I literally just made and haven't had a chance to wear yet. However, it does remind me of old people's skin, which is not a bad thing. Just not the vibe I'm going for. This red one, however, I've not worn for a very long time. She can probably go. And the purple one I made, so don't want to part with that just yet. Goodbye. Reminding myself that everything I sell, I could use the money to buy something that I actually would wear. Or save and be sensible. This bad boy, she's so cute in like a corporate way, not in a me way. Ciao. I literally didn't think I could ever sell this top. I think it's literally probably my favourite thing I own. I don't get much opportunity to wear it, but when I do, goddamn, decision's been made. I'm gonna sort everything into piles of tops, bottoms, etc. so I can just knock them all out in one go. I'm gonna save myself a job and not try on all of the crochet bikini tops and stuff because I already have photos for those, so I think I'm just gonna use those, but I am going to put on everything else. I've been trying to find a good angle to take these pictures and it's been really hard because the lighting in here is terrible. But I've hung up this sheet on the back of my door. Got the camera here, like this sort of angle. I'm gonna try it like this. I'm gonna work through all the pieces I've got on the floor, which could take ages. I can't lie to you, I'm having second thoughts about some of these things, which is a little bit silly because it's a little bit silly. This I want to keep. These I want to keep. These I want to keep. I'm 50-50. But also I'm trying to take a nice picture of them like lying on a white background, and the lighting in here is just so shocking that it's literally impossible. So I'm just gonna have a play around and see what I can find for now. I've had to settle with just lying it here. I'm still not happy with it, but it's the best we've got. I have now photographed everything on me and lying on the bed. It looked way better in the bed with the sunset lamp on it, so I'm hoping those photos are good enough to just use on their own. But yeah, I will upload them all. I think I'm going to upload all the crochet pieces to my Depop and then all the clothing pieces to my Vinted, just so that I've got like a separate thing going on, because I'm kind of using my Depop at the moment as like a shop of stuff I've made rather than just my old clothes. So have a look at both of those. I'm not going to be selling my old clothes for like crazy prices because I just want to get rid. But yeah, I'll leave that all down below. Thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what else you would like to see. I'm gonna have a little brainstorm later. Bye.